So how do you delete a wallpaper on the iPhone? Well, the wallpapers work in pairs now, meaning that the lock screen wallpaper is paired with the one on the home screen, but you can easily delete them. All you have to do is to be on the lock screen of the iPhone and then hold down on the screen somewhere to get inside of the edit mode. And you can swipe left and right to access all of the different wallpapers. And if you want to delete them, you can easily just swipe up on it. Right, so swipe up on the individual wallpapers, the one that you don't like, and you can click on cancel or the trash can icon, and this will ask you once again to delete this wallpaper. And there is a little disclaimer there that this wallpaper will be removed from both the lock screen and home screen, meaning that, as I said, it works in pairs, so you should keep that in mind. You can easily delete it, but it's also gonna delete the other side of the pair. Otherwise, deleting wallpapers might only be deleting the photos from the gallery, but this only prevents the ability to set the wallpapers in the future. So deleting photos in gallery doesn't really do much. So hopefully I explained everything properly to you. If there are more questions which you might have, go ahead and leave them below. If you like this straight to the point tutorials, then subscribe so you never miss another one in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.